If you're over 40 and feel like you've lost strength or you're just starting again, this simple routine is the perfect place to begin. And these 5 exercises will do exactly that. Do them every day, and you'll start to feel stronger, more stable, and more in control of your body again. And don't skip the 5th one. That's where most women start rebuilding real strength. Number 1, sit to stand. If getting up from a chair feels harder than it used to, this is where you start. Most women over 40 lose strength in this exact movement first. And once that starts, everything else becomes harder. Walking, balance, even confidence. This movement rebuilds that strength directly. Sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Bring your feet slightly back so they're under your knees. Now lean your chest slightly forward and push through your heels to stand up. Don't rush it. Control the movement. Once you're standing, slowly lower yourself back down. Don't just drop into the chair. If needed, use your hands at first. That's completely fine. As you get stronger, try to rely less on them. Aim for 8 to 10 controlled reps. This is how you rebuild real-life strength. Number 2, wall push UPS. If your upper body feels weak, this is usually why. Most women over 40 stop using their upper body in daily life. And strength fades faster than you expect. This movement gently builds it back without stressing your joints. Stand facing a wall. Place your hands on it at shoulder height. Step your feet back slightly so your body is at a slight angle. Now slowly bend your elbows, bringing your chest toward the wall. Keep your body in a straight line. Don't let your hips drop or push forward. Then push yourself back to the starting position. Move slowly and stay in control the whole time. If it feels too easy, step a little farther away from the wall. Aim for 10 to 12 reps. This builds safe, controlled upper body strength. Number 3, heel raises. If your legs feel heavy or your balance feels slightly off, this is a big reason why. Most women over 40 lose strength in their lower legs and ankles. And that affects how stable you feel when walking or standing. This simple movement restores that strength. Stand tall, hold onto a chair or wall if needed. Now slowly lift your heels off the ground, rising onto your toes. Pause at the top for a second, feel the muscles working. Then slowly lower your heels back down. Don't drop them. Keep the movement smooth and controlled. If you want to make it harder later, try doing it without support. Aim for 12 to 15 reps. This improves strength and stability together. Number 4, seated knee lifts. If your core feels weak or unsupported, this is what you're missing. Many women over 40 stop engaging their core during daily movement. And that leads to weakness, poor posture, and instability. This movement gently activates it again. Sit tall on a chair. Keep your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Now slowly lift one knee up toward your chest. Don't lean back. Keep your posture upright. Hold for a second at the top, then slowly lower it back down. Switch sides and repeat. Move slowly and stay in control. No swinging. Aim for 10 to 12 reps per side. This helps rebuild core strength safely. Number 5, standing side steps. If your hips feel weak or you feel unstable when walking, this is usually why. Most women over 40 lose strength in their side hips first, and that affects balance, coordination, and overall movement. This movement brings that strength back. Stand tall with your feet together. Slightly bend your knees and keep your posture upright. Now take a controlled step to the side, then bring your other foot in. Don't drag your feet. Stay active and controlled. Keep your steps small and steady. You should feel your hips working as you move. Do 10 to 12 steps in one direction, then switch. This is where real lower body stability starts to come back. Most women over 40 don't need harder workouts. They need the right movements done consistently. That's how strength comes back, slowly, safely, and for the long term. So, here's your routine builder. Start with sit to stand for 8 to 10 reps. Then move into wall push UPS for 10 to 12 reps. Follow with heel raises for 12 to 15 reps. Then do seated knee lifts for 10 to 12 reps per side. And finish with standing side steps for 10 to 12 steps each way. If getting up feels difficult, focus more on sit to stand. If your balance feels off, don't skip heel raises and side steps. Do this every day. It will only take a few minutes, but it will slowly rebuild your strength the right way. Stay consistent, and your body will start to feel stronger, more stable, and more capable again. If you want to build stronger glutes after 40, watch this next video. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.